For this project, you'll need a sheet of paper, a Sharpie, crayons, and either watercolor paint or tempera cakes. Let's start by drawing a curved line for the llama's neck and head. Now draw a straight horizontal line for the llama's back. Draw 2 lines down from the back and the front of the llama. Draw a line across the bottom. Add 4 legs by drawing a rectangle shape, and a zigzag for the foot. Add ears to your llama. Draw a circle on the face for the llama's snout. Draw 2 curved lines down and over inside that circle. And then add 2 circles for the nostrils. Add dots for eyes. You could draw eyelashes if you'd like. And add a tail. Draw either a curved line or a square shape for the blanket on the llama's back. Add designs on that blanket. Now add wool. Draw a bumpy line all the way around the llama's body. Add stripes in the background of your picture. Make sure you jump over that llama so the line doesn't go through it. Inside each stripe, use crayons to draw different designs and patterns. Now color the blanket on the back of your llama. Paint your background using tempera cakes or watercolor paints.